Девушка.
I'ma slow down. I can slow down. It don't make no sound. I need some more now. She wanna tap out. Living like too fam, on told me, boy, you better slow down. Done made it out so many fucked up places, I still don't know how. Pretty little bitch gon' fuck for free, she like to go down. When I get it, them cheat, no 1, 2, 3, she don't wanna tap out. So I took my piss when and bought me a chop, so I'ma need more round. Tryna sell my pride and put it to the side, but the shit won't go down. Gotta pour ice, get way too hot for me to slow down. Won't sell my soap, sell anything, I need a slow down.
What up, to all my king, queen, prince, and princess, man? It's your boy Court, aka YK Slam. Here with y'all today, man, with another video, man, and I'm really disappointed. So, as y'all know, man, I put my tire stickers on. Really disappointed, man. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. So, yeah, I'm gonna let y'all check that out, man. I thought it was gonna be better than that. I don't know if it's something I did or what. I really think it's, I don't know, man. I don't even think it's nothing I did because I did everything, like cleaning with acetone, like 10 plus times. And first I washed the tire. Let it dry. Cleaning with acetone, man, I don't know how many times. Checked the tire, even checked it with a white rag. That became off, so I'm good. Put it on, man. As y'all seen in the video, y'all saw how it looked when I put it on. Okay, put my tires on. I put my tires on. Didn't drive the car nowhere because it started getting late anyway, so I just put them on my tire. Put my tires on my car, and I go out and look at it, and I'm just gonna let y'all see it, man. Yeah, man, so let y'all check it out. And this what I'm talking about. Bro, look at it, bro. Like from afar it look alright, but you get up on it. I know y'all gonna say, oh, it's just dirty, it gotta be clean. Bro, look, I went nowhere, literally nowhere. Came out the next day and did what it looked like. So, it can't be dirt. I don't know what it is. Then after that, man, this tire peeling. Like, I don't know, bro. Like, I don't know. Y'all know what I did. If it's something I did wrong, man, y'all let me know. I don't know. Thought I did a good job. Put them on right. I did do a good job. I did put them on right, man. I didn't want y'all to know what other brand can I use. Like what other company can I use to put tire stickers on? Because I really like the tire stickers, but since it look like that, I don't know. I done tried everything to clean them, man. I don't know. Like, I done tried everything to clean them, bring them back white. And nothing happened. No, y'all talking about, oh, it's just dirt, man. It can't be just dirt, cause I mean, I'm saying I know it's dirt, it's something. But my thing is, why? I know people have tire letters, man, ain't nothing wrong with them. So, with me just put my tires on my car and come out the next morning, they ain't drive nowhere now, cause I end up getting late. So, with me just put my tires on and coming outside the next morning, seeing that something ain't right. So that's why I say. Or maybe because I got the temporary. I don't know, man. Maybe because I got the temporary, I should have got the permanent. But only way I got the temporary because I'm gonna put my rims back on, so I probably still should got the permanent. That way they'll still be on my tires anyway. So yeah, man. I don't know. said, man, you know, any other company that can, any other tie sticker company, man, that do tie stickers, that you can customize your own letter. I said, man, I find this company on Instagram, so that's how I end up, you know, ordering these tie stickers. Then again, I've been had these tie stickers, man, since like, probably October. Yeah, I've been having them for a while, so I'm just not putting them on. I don't know, but I know I do not like how they turned out. I do not like that. I don't know if it's on their behalf or my behalf, or I don't know. I don't know. Right now, thumbs down, man. Thumbs down. I don't know, man. I'm gonna let y'all see it one more time, bro. I said, bro, ain't no way they supposed to look like this. Said dirt if you want to, but I know it dirt, but come on, man. It don't supposed to be that dirty. I mean, and you still can tell from afar. Still can tell. Look at the back tire, you see it. But I don't know, man. Like I said, y'all can figure out, find y'all know another company that do tie stickers, man. Please let me know, man. Drop it in the comment. I'll check them out also. Start baby up, man. Still had the lights in, still got the floor mats in, man. As I know, still got the TV back here also. I said, man, you still want these floor mats. I put the description in. I mean, I put the link in the description, man. You still want these floor mats. Man, great quality, man. As you can see, they still look good. So, yeah, I put the link in for the floor mats. Y'all still want those. And don't forget about the giveaway, man. 1 case subscriber giveaway. So yeah, man, when I hit 1K subscriber, man, I'll be doing a giveaway. I give away $100 plus Underglow lights plus one of my t-shirts. It might not be this, it might be the other. You know, I'll let you make that choice. And I'm thinking about throwing a set of floor mats in also, man. I'm gonna let y'all know about that. But yeah, man, I said you get $100, get a pair of Underglows, and get one of my t-shirts. So, and I might, should I throw up some floor mats in? Let me know. When I hit 1K subscribers, should I give away $100? Should I give away $100? Underglows, one of my t-shirts, and should I give away your choice of floor mats? So, as you know, with the floor mats, man, they come like however your car is. You just put like what kind of car you got in, what year, you know, what model it is, and they will customize your floor mat. So, yeah, let me know if I should do that also. I think that'd be a great idea. So when I hit 1K subscriber, man, I'm gonna, you know, do the giveaway. Comment down below if you think I should add the floor mat in the giveaway also, or you think I should do the floor mat giveaway when I hit 1,500 subscribers, man. So let me know. Floor mats include my first giveaway at 1K subscriber, or floor mats when I hit 1,500 subscribers. I already know what my next big giveaway gonna be after this also, so I think y'all gonna like it. So y'all just stay tuned for that, man. I know anybody got a car, they gonna love it, so man, yeah, man, I'm going to start my day. With that being said, man, please subscribe, like, comment. Please comment, man. I respond back to everybody, so please comment. You know, I'm gonna try to catch a car show or something. You know, I couldn't even catch it. Like big head, forehead, something. I couldn't make it. Even even Mr. Goddamn had came to Birmingham. I couldn't make it to Birmingham anyway. So I missed those two big events. So I won't miss nothing else. Hopefully. So like I said, man, with that being said, man, hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that like button, man. Don't forget to hit that bell. Everybody be blessed, man. It's your boy Court, aka YK Slam.
I'ma slow down. I can slow down. It don't make no sound. I need some more now. She wanna tap out. Living like two fam, told me, boy, you better slow down. Done made it out so many fucked up places, I still don't know how. Pretty little bitch gon' fuck for free, she like to go down. When I get it, them cheat, no 1, 2, 3, she don't wanna tap out. So I took my piss, went and bought me a chop, so I'ma need more round. Tryna sell my pride and put it to the side, but the shit won't go down. Gotta pour ice, get way too hot for me to slow down. Won't sell my soap, sell anything, I need a stove now.